Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Airbus A220s to be grounded in 2025. Airbus has announced a temporary grounding of its A220 fleet in 2025 due to engine issues with the Pratt Whitney PW1500G. This move prioritizes safety, addressing premature wear and enhancing reliability. The grounding will impact airlines like Delta and airBaltic, causing operational disruptions. Despite this setback, Airbus is committed to resolving the challenges, ensuring the A220 remains a leading choice in the regional jet market. Overview of the grounding decision. Airbus has announced a temporary grounding of its A220 fleet in 2025 to address critical issues related to the aircraft's Pratt Whitney PW1500G engines. This proactive measure is aimed at ensuring safety and operational reliability. Engine-related challenges. The grounding stems from ongoing problems with the PW1500G engines, including premature wear and durability concerns. These issues have prompted comprehensive inspections and repairs across the global A220 fleet. Impact on airlines. Airlines operating the A220, such as Delta Airlines, Swiss International Airlines, and airBaltic, will face disruptions. Some carriers may need to lease replacement aircraft or adjust schedules to mitigate the impact on operations. Scope of the grounding. The grounding will involve all A220 aircraft powered by Pratt Whitney engines. Airbus and its partners are coordinating efforts to minimize downtime and streamline the inspection and repair process. Maintenance plan. Airbus, in collaboration with Pratt Whitney, has outlined a detailed maintenance plan to resolve engine issues. This includes enhanced inspection protocols, component replacements, and long-term reliability upgrades. Financial implications. The grounding is expected to result in significant financial costs for airlines and engine manufacturers. Airlines may face additional expenses for leasing and operational adjustments, while Pratt Whitney could incur substantial costs for repairs and compensations. Focus on passenger safety. Ensuring passenger safety remains the top priority for Airbus and its partners. The grounding reflects a commitment to addressing potential risks promptly and transparently, reinforcing confidence in the A220's long-term viability. Industry-wide impacts. The grounding may cause ripple effects across the aviation industry, including disruptions to regional flight schedules and delays in A220 deliveries. Airlines with pending orders may reassess their fleet strategies considering these developments. Prospects for the A220. Despite the temporary setback, the A220 is expected to remain a key player in the regional jet market. Airbus plans to implement long-term solutions to enhance engine performance and restore confidence in the aircraft's reliability. Communication with stakeholders. Airbus and Pratt Whitney are maintaining open communication with airlines, regulators, and passengers. Regular updates on the progress of inspections and repairs will be provided to ensure transparency throughout the grounding period. Conclusion. The temporary grounding of the Airbus A220 in 2025 highlights the importance of addressing technical challenges promptly to ensure safety and reliability. While the situation presents short-term disruptions and financial implications, Airbus and its partners are committed to resolving engine issues and securing the A220's position as a leading regional jet for years to come. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.